back to my channel. My name is Nakita, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I would like to do an update review of my ONYC hair. So I've been wearing this hair for 3 weeks now, and I washed the hair twice and I styled the hair. I added curls, I wore the hair straight, I wore the hair with curls. So I would like to give you guys some pro and cons about this hair. Pro about this hair is that it remains soft. Even though I washed the hair twice, it remains with its texture. It went back straight to the way I took it out of the package. It's soft, it's lustrous, and it's very flowy, as you guys can see. So I need to be honest and say this hair is the best hair I ever received since I've been wearing wigs or since I've been doing hair. It's the best hair ever. Like, I'm really in love with this hair, and there's hardly any shedding. Like, I can brush this hair daily, guys, and when I look in my brush or in my comb, there's like 2, 3 or sometimes 4 strands of hair, just to tell you guys that this hair hardly shed, which I love. And furthermore, I get a lot of compliments about this hair. People always compliment me on how soft the hair is, how full the hair is, and how flowy the hair is. And to be honest, it is actually like that. And I never ever used or purchased a hair with this texture. I really love this hair, guys. So if you're wearing this hair with tight curls or loose curls, it's very easy to revert back to its straight texture. That's what I love about this hair, because sometimes you can find hair that when you add some curls to it and you're trying to straighten the hair back to get a straight look, it's very hard, because you will still see that loose pattern or that loose curl into the hair, and it's not a good look. So I love how this hair goes straight back to being bone straight. So cons about this hair, basically, to be honest, there is no con about this hair. Literally, from my opinion, there's no con about this hair. What I do recommend is a bit more shine to the hair. So it's already nice and shiny, but I will still, that's my preference, I will still recommend a bit more shine to this hair. So I would like to quickly show you guys the hair. So this is the side. Just to like to show you guys how full the hair is. Look at that, guys. And I had this hair for 3 weeks, as I said. I've been styling it, I've been washing it, and the hair still remains full. There's hardly any shedding to the hair. Look at that. And also I would like to show you guys the back of the hair. Yes, guys, so this is one of my best hair ever. So Valentine is coming up, and if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair for the upcoming holidays, you can visit the ONYC website. And if you're living in the States, it's ONYCHair.com, and if you're living in the UK, it's ONYC.UK. So go check their website out, and they have other collection on their website which I think you guys will really love. And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.